Well, you guys, I've got a big ask today. I am here with my friend, my trainer, my torturer, JoHanna, also someone whom my husband and I have kind of adopted because we only have boys, so we kind of needed a girl in our life. And she is trying to raise money for a really fabulous program, a trip that she wants to take to Belize. And in order to raise the money, we're doing this shout out, and we're going to she is going to record it on this poster. So let me just ask some questions so you can tell us all about it. First of all, where do you go to school?
I go to school at the University of Oklahoma Health Sciences Center in downtown Oklahoma City. I'm in the Speech Language Pathology Master's Degree Program.
Okay, and so this trip is related to that. How?
So this trip would be a 10-day trip to Belize where I'll be supervised by other SLPs that are certified, and they'll be watching me do assessments and therapies on pediatrics and adults at hospitals and schools in different settings around Belize. And so it's just a good experience for me to get hands-on experience in the field before I graduate and go off on my own.
Okay, and will other students be going with you?
12 other students will be there.
Okay, so JoHanna is not unlike I was when I was a graduate student, a poor, struggling graduate student, and trips like these are relatively expensive, but they are so valuable. So if there's any way you guys can help, then I would encourage you to do so. And it's, how much did you say, $3,600?
Yes, if I fill in all these squares, it'll be about $3,600.
Okay, and does that covers your travel expenses?
My travel, my flight, everything. Once I get there, the program itself is inclusive. So
okay,
yeah.
that is wonderful. So I am going to be the first person. She made this herself. You can see there's kind of a dollar sign here, and each square denotes a different amount. And tell me how I'm going to pay you and how others can contribute to this.
So I'll link, or Stuart will link my Venmo, my Cash App, and my PayPal. And if you guys need another different service I don't have, I can get that one too.
Yeah, or you can contact me, and they'll get, if you need a receipt, I think there's a way that you'll be notified with some kind of receipt that you have made a donation. So I have the honor of being the first person to fill out my square, and I am going for the gold. So I've challenged my husband, and I'll challenge you guys too. So I'm going to be a gold medal contributor. So I am going to fill in two $50 squares to kick it off. And JoHanna also trains my husband. So it's a throwdown. I'm throwing down a challenge to Hubs that he needs to donate to. And I will keep you guys updated periodically on how things are going, how you're progressing, and hopefully when she has her entire poster filled. JoHanna and her boyfriend worked on this together, and I thought it was a really clever way for her to document how much money she's raised, but also give a visual just on the kindness of strangers. So there you go. If you guys have it in your heart and in your means to be able to help JoHanna out, we both would appreciate it greatly. And as I said, we'll put the appropriate links there. I'll also put something in stories, and I'll probably also put something in my community tab on YouTube. If you're not sure of what you need to do or how to help, then you can just send me a personal message on Instagram, and I will convey it to JoHanna. So that is a way that you can feel good about yourself by helping somebody else today. You guys have a great weekend.
Thank you.